Oh, bro, this one's huge. I don't know. I don't think this is a. I don't think this is a. I don't think this is a dart. I don't think this is a dart, bro. I don't think it's a dart. I don't think it's a dart. It's huge. I don't think it's a. I don't think it's a dart, bro. Oh shit, what is it? It's not a dart, bro. It's not a dart. It's coming in. Yeah, I got my camera on. I don't know, stingray maybe? Ray maybe? I don't know what it is. Oh, it's a big... Oh! Jewie! Huge Jewie! Yeah! Yeah, bro! Yeah! Huge Jewie on a tiny prawn! Oh! Bro! Yeah! Yeah! Huge Jewie! Huge Jewie! Oh! Hope he's legal. Hope he's legal. Oh, I think he's legal. Yeah, bro. That's huge, Jewie. I think he's legal. 75 it has to be. 70. Yeah, easy, bro. Easy legal. Easy 75. Easy 75. Easy legal. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, bro. Easy 75, baby. Oh. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro.
Yeah, dude.
That was a strong ass fight. Oh shit, don't get the Vanford in the sand. Oh. Oh, I gotta get a photo.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Gotta get a photo. Lipped him perfectly, bro. Lipped him perfectly. Oh.
That's insane.
Oh. That is seriously lipped him perfectly, bro. Lift him perfectly. Oh. Oh. Fuck. I need water after that. Crap. Oh. Oh, lipped him perfectly. Oh, I have to chuck him in the esky. Oh, oh, bro. Oh. Oh my gosh, guys, that hit legal. That hits legal on the mark. Legal on the dot. Oh, 77. 70 beats my legal by one centimeter.
Jeez, man. Far out. Did you know you could get them here?
Nah. But, let me just calm down. That fight was crazy.
Crazy, man. How did you? What did it feel like when you caught it? Did it?
Just like, this is not a dart.
Yeah.
I was like, oh, this is a dart, and it's a very big one. It was the tiniest
Yeah,
hook,
because I
bro.
could hear it drag like it was slowly going out there.
Lucky I tied it. I made him tired, eh? I'm just shaking, bro. I gotta bleed it and then chuck it in the esky.
Yeah. You don't even have an esky big enough for it.
I literally don't have to cut him in half, literally.
Oh, that's so sick. When I saw it, I was like, oh, because when you said it was a ray, I'm like, oh yeah. I saw it flap a bit, I'm like, oh, this is a thing, right?
Yeah.
And then when I just saw it like sitting flat on the feet, fucking
Huge, bro. Nice. Oh, you're getting bites.
Is that it?
Yeah, getting bites.